Welcome to Als Workshop, located in Bangkok, Thailand. I'd just like to show you around my workshop. I'm hoping to make some videos on model engineering. I currently have a project started which I'd like to share with you. But first of all, I'd like to just show you around my workshop. So let's have a look. This is the Optimum Mark 1 mini milling machine. If we take a closer look, we have the DRO, and this machine is a metric machine, but on the DRO you can change to imperial. It also has some other mechanisms to do PCD drilling and all positioning. This has got 3 axes, X, Y and Z, so it's a very good DRO, very accurate. If we move to the mini mill head, this is set to the vertical position. As you can see, it is a V-belt driven machine, not gear, and there are three belts to choose from, or you can just use the variable speed. You can set the head at an angle to cut degrees in pieces of work, and you also have you can also use it as a drilling action. The head moves from the body, not the table, and the table does move up and down, and so we have the controls on the side. They're not automatic, it's all by hand. We have the Z axis here, which lifts the table up and down, which we can use the DRO to do, and we have the Y axis, which moves the head in and out on nice dovetail. It's a very nice machine. All the slides have been scraped, and there we've got the head, got the control there, and as we come down to the table, you can actually remove this table and fit this table in this position. So you have a vertical table which gives you a good distance between the spindles, and also it can be made, it's a vertical horizontal machine, so the machine can be adapted, and this is the horizontal attachment and harbour. This is done by moving the head, removing this section and placing this section here. This can be shown here on a drawing. So as you can see, we've got a vertical and horizontal machine, so it can do quite a wide range of items. Also on the opposite side is a Y axis again, if you want to work from this side of the machine. And we've got the speed control, so we don't have to keep changing the V belts and on and off, an emergency stop. And we've got the speed here. Then coming down, we've got coolant tank here, and we have the coolant pump. So the machine has also got coolant, and it's got a nice base, and it's got storage, which is very good. And we've also got the harbors. It's an NT30. So we've got for the milling cutters, the drills, and I recommend a small boring head as well, so that you can increase your awl sizes. It's very useful, or for being more accurate. So again, let's just have another look. So that's the mini mill. It's a very nice machine to work on. This is the Optimum lathe. It's a German make. It's a long bed. I would recommend, if you're getting a mini lathe, that you consider the longer bed, because when you've got drills and pieces of steel stuck out here, you soon lose this distance. So I would advise a longer bed mini mill. We've got the tailstock, quick release. Got the measurement on the quill, the angles, cross slide, longitudinal, all feel very good, and they're all very well marked, easy to read. We've got a 3-jaw. Currently we have a 4-jaw in position. It's very easy to change. You just take these 3 bolts off, this comes off, and this flange here then fits onto the back of here, and then this just goes back onto the lathe. You can also remove this and place the center in. It's got a taper in here, so you can machine between centers. There's your tailstock can swivel around different angles. You can do screw cutting, or you have a traverse handle here. And as we go to the machine, we can change the speeds. There is a speed controller on it, but you can change the range by altering the gearing system, or on this case, the V-belt drive. So we have a V-belt drive and a gear mechanism for the traverses and screw cutting. So as we come closer, by changing the belts, you can change the traverse speed, you can change to carry out some screw cutting, metric and imperial. And the gears are steel, quite nice quality, not plastic, so that's very good, and it's easily carried out by just removing this guard off this back face. A safety mechanism, you must have that down to run. It came with a nice bed. It's got all nice drawers in and some storage area in the side. It's quite a nice machine. It's very good. Both these machines I purchased from a company called Smart CNC. You can buy them online, but it's nice to actually see the machines. And also the company delivered and installed them in my workshop, which is very nice of them. And I have always got contact with them if I need any spares or any repairs. Okay, thank you. We have a small grinder, a vise and a workbench to work from. And this is the small model I'm currently working on. It's very enjoyable. It's a little small working small steam engine. That's the piston. The steam comes down here through this valve arrangement and into the piston. I'm hoping to do some videos showing the rest of it being made. It's very enjoyable. I recommend anybody give this a try if they've got time or availability. And then just starting off with some basic measuring equipment. That's for measuring bores, vernier caliper, a micrometer, some rulers, and some drills and tapping equipment. That's basically what you need just to get started. It's a lovely hobby, and I hope that you join me on my other videos. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed the small video on the equipment and the two nice mini machines in the workshop. I'm going to make some videos, and hopefully you'll enjoy those too, on my progress with my little steam engine and future projects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy, and I hope to see you again. Bye.